Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HD Coin Value, your ultimate destination for uncovering the hidden treasures of the numismatic world. Today, we're diving into one of the most intriguing coins in American history, the 1977 D. Lincoln 1-cent penny. This coin has sparked countless debates among collectors, and I'm here to tell you why it's not just a piece of history, but a potential goldmine for your collection. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the fascinating story behind this iconic coin, its historical significance, and why it might just be the most valuable penny you've ever held in your hands. The 1977 D. Lincoln penny is part of the long-standing Lincoln cent series, which was first introduced in 1909 to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. Designed by Victor David Brenner, this series has become one of the most beloved and collected coins in American history. The 1977 D variant, minted in Denver, carries the iconic profile of Lincoln on the obverse and the Lincoln Memorial on the reverse. But what makes this particular coin so special? Let's dig deeper. First, let's talk about why the 1977 D penny was made. Like all Lincoln cents, this coin was produced as part of the United States Mint's ongoing effort to provide small denomination currency for everyday transactions. The Denver Mint, marked by the D Mint mark, was responsible for producing millions of these pennies to meet the demands of commerce. However, the 1977 D penny stands out because of its unique place in history. It was minted during a time of economic transition in the United States, as the country was recovering from the inflation and energy crises of the early 1970s. This historical context adds a layer of intrigue to the coin, making it a tangible piece of America's economic journey. Now, let's address the million-dollar question. Why is the 1977 D penny so valuable? The answer lies in its rarity and condition. While millions of these pennies were minted, finding one in pristine, uncirculated condition is incredibly rare. Coins that have been well preserved, with sharp details and minimal wear, are highly sought after by collectors. Additionally, errors or unique variations in the minting process can significantly increase a coin's value. For example, if your 1977 D penny has a double die obverse or a repunched mint mark, it could be worth a small fortune. But wait, there's more. The value of the 1977 D penny is also driven by its historical significance and the nostalgia it evokes. For many collectors, this coin represents a piece of their childhood or a bygone era of American history. The emotional connection people have with these coins can drive up demand, making them even more valuable. And let's not forget the thrill of the hunt. Finding a rare 1977 D penny in your pocket change or an old collection is like striking gold. So, how much is a 1977 D penny really worth? While most circulated pennies are worth only a few cents, uncirculated examples in mint condition can fetch anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000. However, if you're lucky enough to have a coin with a rare error or exceptional quality, the value can skyrocket. In some cases, 1977 D pennies have sold for hundreds or even thousands of dollars at auction. The key is to have your coin professionally graded by a reputable service like PCGS or NGC, as this will significantly enhance its marketability and value. But here's the exciting part. The potential for discovery is endless. Every day, collectors are uncovering hidden gems in their collections, and your 1977 D penny could be the next big find. Imagine holding a coin that not only tells a story, but also has the potential to change your financial future. That's the magic of numismatics, and it's what makes this hobby so thrilling. Now, let's talk about how you can maximize the value of your 1977 D penny. First, handle it with care. Coins in pristine condition are worth far more than those with scratches or damage. Store your penny in a protective holder or case to prevent wear and tear. Second, do your research. Learn about the different grades and variations of the 1977 D penny so you can accurately assess its value. And finally, consider getting your coin professionally graded. A certified coin not only holds more value, but also attracts serious buyers who are willing to pay top dollar. If you're thinking about selling your 1977 D penny, now is the perfect time. The coin collecting market is booming, with more and more people recognizing the value of these historical treasures. Whether you choose to sell through an auction house, an online marketplace, or a private dealer, you can be confident that your coin will attract attention. And who knows, your 1977 D penny could be the star of the show, fetching a price that far exceeds your expectations. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at some real-world examples. In 2020, a rare 1977 penny with a double-die obverse sold for over $5,500 at auction. Another example, graded MS, 67 red by PCGS, fetched nearly $10,000. These sales prove that the 1977 penny is not just a piece of pocket change, but a valuable asset that can bring significant returns. So, what are you waiting for? If you have a 1977 penny in your collection, now is the time to take a closer look. Examine it for any unique features, consider getting it graded, and explore your options for selling or trading. The world of coin collecting is full of surprises, and your 1977 penny could be the next big discovery. In conclusion, the 1977 Lincoln 1-cent penny is more than just a coin. It's a piece of history, a work of art, and a potential treasure. Its value lies not only in its rarity and condition, but also in the stories it tells, and the emotions it evokes. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a newcomer to the world of numismatics, this coin is a must-have for any collection. So keep searching, keep collecting, and who knows? You might just find the coin of your dreams. Next up, the 1960 USA quarter dollar. If you've ever wondered whether this coin is valuable, whether it could be worth a fortune in the future, or if it's just another piece of pocket change, you're in for a treat. This coin is not just a piece of history, it's a potential goldmine waiting to be discovered. Let's explore its history, its current value, and its future potential. The 1960 USA quarter dollar is part of the Washington Quarter Series, which began in 1932 to commemorate the 200th anniversary of George Washington's birth. Designed by John Flanagan, this iconic coin features the profile of George Washington on the obverse and a majestic eagle with outstretched wings on the reverse. The 1960 quarter, in particular, holds a special place in the hearts of collectors because it marks a transitional period in U.S. coinage history. It was minted during a time when the U.S. Mint was experimenting with new techniques and materials, making it a fascinating piece for both historians and collectors. Now, let's talk about its value. The 1960 quarter dollar is not just any ordinary coin. While millions were minted, the true value lies in its condition, rarity, and specific mint marks. Coins from the Philadelphia Mint, no mint mark, and the Denver Mint, D mint mark, are the most common, but even these can fetch a pretty penny if they're in pristine condition. A well-preserved 1960 quarter, in uncirculated condition, can easily sell for $1,000 to $5,000 today. But here's where it gets exciting. If you have a proof version or a coin with unique errors, the value can skyrocket into the hundreds or even thousands of dollars. But wait, there's more. The future potential of this coin is where the real magic happens. As time goes on, the number of high-quality 1960 quarters in circulation will continue to dwindle. Coins that are well preserved and graded by reputable organizations like PCGS or NGC will become increasingly rare. This scarcity, combined with growing interest in coin collecting, means that the value of the 1960 quarter is likely to rise significantly in the coming years. Imagine holding onto a coin that could be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars in the future. That's the power of numismatic investing. Let's not forget the historical significance of this coin. The 1960 quarter was minted during a time of great change in America. It was the era of the space race, the Cold War, and the dawn of the modern age. Holding a 1960 quarter is like holding a piece of that history in your hands. It's a tangible connection to a time when the world was on the brink of transformation, and that alone makes it a valuable collectible. So, how much can you sell a 1960 quarter for right now? As mentioned earlier, a standard uncirculated coin can fetch between $2,000 and $5,000. However, if you have a rare variant, such as a proof coin or one with a unique mint error, the sky's the limit. Some rare examples have sold for over $10,000 at auction. The key is to have your coin professionally graded and authenticated. This not only increases its value, but also gives potential buyers confidence in its authenticity. Now, let's talk about motivation. If you're sitting on a 1960 quarter, don't underestimate its potential. Coin collecting is not just a hobby, it's an investment. The value of rare coins has consistently appreciated over time, often outperforming traditional investments like stocks and bonds. By holding on to your 1960 quarter, you're not just preserving a piece of history, you're potentially securing a financial windfall for the future. To all the viewers out there, I encourage you to check your coin collections, your old piggy banks, or even that jar of loose change you've been ignoring. You never know. You might just have a 1960 quarter waiting to be discovered. And if you do, take good care of it. Store it in a protective holder, get it graded, and keep an eye on the market. The value of this coin is only going to go up, and you could be sitting on a small fortune. In conclusion, the 1960 USA quarter dollar is more than just a piece of currency. It's a piece of history, a work of art, and a potential investment. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a casual enthusiast, this coin is worth your attention. Its current value is impressive, but its future potential is even more exciting. So don't wait, start exploring your collection today, and who knows? You might just find a treasure that's worth its weight in gold. Next up, the 1965 USA quarter dollar. This coin has sparked countless debates, fueled the passions of collectors, and continues to be a hot topic in the coin collecting community. If you've ever wondered about its value, history, and why so many people are eager to get their hands on it, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The 1965 USA quarter dollar is a coin that carries a unique story and a fascinating place in American coinage history. This coin was minted during a pivotal time in the United States, when the country was transitioning from using silver in its coinage to a copper-nickel clad composition. The Coinage Act of 1965 marked the end of an era, as silver coins were being phased out due to rising silver prices and a nationwide coin shortage. The 1965 quarter dollar was one of the first coins to be struck in this new composition, making it a significant piece of history. Now, let's talk about why this coin is so valuable and why collectors are clamoring to add it to their collections. While the 1965 quarter dollar was minted in large quantities, certain rare varieties and errors make it highly desirable. For instance, some 1965 quarters were accidentally struck on 90% silver planchets intended for 1964 coins. These rare errors are incredibly valuable and can fetch thousands of dollars at auctions. Even standard 1965 quarters in pristine, uncirculated condition can command impressive prices, especially if they have full mint marks or exceptional luster. The demand for the 1965 quarter dollar is immense, and it's not just seasoned collectors who are after it. Newcomers to the hobby are equally captivated by its historical significance and potential for high returns. Online auctions, coin shows, and private sales are buzzing with activity as buyers compete to own this iconic piece of American history. The thrill of finding a 1965 quarter dollar in your pocket change or at an estate sale is unmatched, and the possibility of discovering a rare variety only adds to the excitement. So, what is the current value of the 1965 USA quarter dollar? While most circulated examples are worth their face value of 25 cents, uncirculated coins can range from $2,000 to $5,000 depending on their condition. However, the real treasure lies in the rare silver errors, which can sell for anywhere between $10,000 and $50,000 or more. Imagine holding a coin in your hand that could potentially pay for a dream vacation or even a down payment on a car. That's the power of the 1965 quarter dollar. The history of this coin is just as captivating as its value. The 1965 quarter dollar was born out of necessity during a time of economic change. The US Mint had to act quickly to address the coin shortage and rising silver prices, leading to the introduction of the copper-nickel clad composition. Despite being made of less precious materials, the 1965 quarter dollar played a crucial role in stabilizing the economy and ensuring that Americans had access to the coins they needed for everyday transactions. But what truly sets the 1965 quarter dollar apart is its connection to a bygone era. It represents the end of silver coinage and the beginning of a new chapter in American numismatics. Holding a 1965 quarter dollar is like holding a piece of history, a tangible reminder of a time when the nation was undergoing significant change. For collectors, this coin is more than just a piece of metal. It's a symbol of resilience, innovation, and progress. If you're lucky enough to own a 1965 quarter dollar, especially one of the rare silver errors, you're sitting on a potential goldmine. The market for these coins is strong, and their value is only expected to increase over time. As more collectors enter the hobby and the supply of high-quality examples dwindles, the demand for the 1965 quarter dollar will continue to rise. Now is the perfect time to capitalize on this opportunity and add this iconic coin to your collection. For those of you who are new to coin collecting, the 1965 quarter dollar is an excellent place to start. It's a coin that combines history, rarity, and value, making it a must-have for any serious collector. Whether you're searching through old coin jars, visiting local coin shops, or bidding online, keep an eye out for this gem. You never know, you might just stumble upon a rare variety that could change your life. In conclusion, the 1965 USA quarter dollar is a coin that deserves your attention. Its historical significance, rarity, and potential for high value make it a standout piece in the world of numismatics. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, this coin offers something for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Start your search today and see if you can uncover one of these incredible treasures. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HD Coin Value for more exciting insights into the world of rare coins. Until next time, happy hunting!